Hello there. This is Dave Curry from RMS. Boston Yacht Club asked for some help this morning on setting up their fleet structure for their Behringer Bowl event this summer. And I thought I would record some details on how to do it so more people can learn a little bit more about the fleet structure editor and capabilities we have in that regard. So I'm in as an admin for Boston Yacht Club, and I'm into the Behringer Bowl. And I'm going to go to event setup and look at the fleet structure. In the fleet structure tab, when you click on it, you see a whole host of various fleet structures that are there available. But what happens here in Mass Bay is this is a Mass Bay qualifier. So Mass Bay qualifiers should use all the same basic splits for their basic racing and cruising classes, spinnakers and non-spinnaker classes. The best way to do that is this year. We've set up some more obvious templates with Mass Bay, and they're located right here. You can see the creator is Mass Bay, and there's this thing called a class structure group. A little more on that in a while. But what we want to do is set up the Behringer Bowl setup based on one of these templates. So here's the one we're going to use, Mass Bay ORREZ 2020 template. That's going to give me the, so I click on it here, that's going to give me the basic agreed upon ratings for the 2020 season for the class splits in Mass Bay. Problem with this is that the Behringer Bowl wants to have a double-handed division. And then I'm going to get to the last wrinkle in just a second after that. So what I'm going to need to do is copy this template, create my own copy. I'm going to call it BSA, I'm going to call it Behringer. Spell it right. I'm going to leave the Mass Bay in there so we remember that it's that way. So now I've got my basic class structure from the Mass Bay. I also have a link to this Mass Bay class override. That's a tool that we've added this year for Mass Bay to be sure that boats that are on the bubble between some of these fleet splits are in their desired division. So that's something that Lance and the guys at Mass Bay manage. But we're now linked to it, so that override will take place for boats in the Behringer and any other one that has that set up. So what we need to do to add a double-handed class first is enable what we call divisions. And I'm going to see we got the first division is ORREZ, just like the original race we had. And then the next division I'm going to call double-handed. Okay. And I'm going to add a spinnaker fleet to this. And I'm going to take the TBD out and just call it double-handed. So now I've successfully created a double-handed division on top of the regular EZ. And let me get out of this for a sec. And got that selected, and you'll see that we have a regular EZ division and a double-handed division. So we're all set for the first part of the request that Karen at Boston Yacht Club made for us. We got one more piece we want to do. They also have a daytime start, which is a PHRF time-on-time race, not instead of the overnight race for the more serious racers. So we're going to go back in and edit the one we created. And we're going to add one more division. And we're going to call it, I think they call it OCS. Karen, you can fix that later if I didn't get it completely right. And what we're going to do here, because it's more casual racers, they actually use a different rating system for this division. So we're going to change that rating system to PHRF New England. And let's submit. I'll probably select one of these. Hit submit. And now we're going to, I think it's just non-spinnaker. So we're going to do that. And should be good to go. So now we've got a EZ division, a double-handed division, and an OCS division. They're all linked to the EZ class structure group, which means there's some control at the mass bay level of some of the boat classes where they end up. And I think we're good to go. So hopefully that gives you a little idea of what can happen, how you can use the new division, and for your mass bay or any other area that has a regional organization controlling the splits, you can copy their template and add your own extra divisions to it, and you will get the latest and greatest splits from the regional organization. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.